Go ahead. You're on. Talk. Who you want to say hi to?
JJ at the wall.
JJ's still sleeping. You want to say hi to her? You want to say hi to JJ? Oh, you're still waking up, aren't you, baby? Do you want to say hi to Brendan? No? Want to say hi to Jessica? Say hi, Jessica. Say hi, Jessica.
I want to see.
Alright, well, I'll show you afterwards. First, we have to make it.
No, I want to make a picture.
Want me to make you a picture?
No.
Are you sleepy? Are you my sleepy baby? I can watch TV?
No.
Did you find your snacks? You want your treats? Yum. Your eyes look so good, Kyle. Yay.